ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्न भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवत्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐवुन् ऋलृग् एओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लन् ञामाङ्गणम् जभै खडदश् जबगडदश् खफ चठथ चटतौ कपै
कपै
शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि अकुभविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः इचुयशानां तालु ऋटुरषाणां मूर्धा लुतुलसानां दन्ताः ऊपु पद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ न्यामाङ्गानानां नासिका च वेदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य मूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिकानुस्वारस्य
रामो राजमनिः सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामो राजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे
रामेणाभिगता निशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामेणाभिगतानिशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामान्नास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे भो राम मामुद्धर
रामे चित्तलयः सदा भवतु मे रामोद्धर
Okay. I have asked how to proceed. Some people have said to continue with Sandhi. Some people said to go forward. So you have to mix both, compromise both. We will do Sandhi class. This Abhyasa with Gita on every alternate weeks. Right? So if we do
Okay, Guruji.
Sandhi class today, then we will do the language part in the next class. I know many of you are watching offline also, later after the class also. It is there. I think you know the playlist number. Sanskritam 3 is there. I changed it now. Not the whole thing. Vyakarana Sagitam. So the Sandhi, other grammar details, whatever we deal with. So I'll put it in the playlist. Sanskritam Dach 3 Vyakarana Sagitam. And for the language, I will create another playlist. I'll put it in that, all the videos, recordings in that playlist. Okay. Can you all hear what I'm saying?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
One is Vyakarana Sagitam, other one is Bhasha Matram. So for Bhasha Matram, I will create one playlist. In that, I'll post all the videos which recording the language. So Vyakaranam and language both have to go together. So Vyakaranam, that Sandhi will continue for some more classes. Some more Sandhi, many rules are there. We have to see. So every alternate weeks we can do Sandhi. So Gita, Padavicheda, that we will continue. Right. Second thing is we are using the book Rashtriya Samskrita Samsthan. We have been reading that. I think we did up to some 130 or some pages. Slowly building up the language. Spoken language. It's only through Sanskritam, not through any other language. Many of you are already familiar with that simple thing. That up to that, whatever we have seen. Slowly exposing oneself to the language. That also we will continue. And we will read the book as we suggest, as Sanskrita here, the teacher here, the Gurukulam as well as other place, we suggest and teach this infant reader. Either I would have sent this book to you or I will send the soft copy of that after the class.
It's there on the D drive, Guruji.
D drive, you can download it. It is there. So it has got
Yes,
some
Guruji.
30 lessons. Slowly, you will introduce you'll see the new, what do you call, the topics. So when we deal with that topic, then we have, when we deal with those words, then we have to deal with the grammar part. That we will see in the grammar class. Of course, with examples. Grammar, not only with grammar. That is, if we introduce as past participle or present participle, or if he introduces the lakara, different lakara, lang lakara, lot lakara, those things we have to deal with. That we will do it in the Vyakaranam class. That Vyakaranam class, it will take time. We cannot deal with everything immediately over a period of time. But the language part you can pick up, you can be familiar with the forms so that we can start reading any text and try to understand. Okay. So we will start with infant reader today. In fact, I was planning to do Sandhi only. Just now the mind changed. So we will start with infant reader. So this, and also whatever the videos so far gone, the classes we have gone, right? The Bhasha part alone, I will take it out and post it in the separate playlist. And that this today's class also will be added. Okay, so we'll have two playlists, one with Vyakarana Sagitam, other one is Bhasha Matra. Clear?
Yes,
Small
Sharma.
request, Guruji.
Yes.
These grammar videos I tried to download from YouTube, but as I mentioned earlier, YouTube download these days is
It is possible. Okay, that we'll
becoming
discuss after the
quite
class. It is possible.
difficult.
It is possible. There's no difficulty in that. I don't know why it is. I cannot post
Is
in
it by
the.
any chance?
I cannot do it
Can
in
they?
the D drive. It is difficult for me. My mobile
Okay.
is my web email. It's already it's full. So in fact, I have to
Okay.
remove many things. So it is downloading is possible. Otherwise, you can ask someone in the class. He can help you by.
You have suggested a particular.
Yes. I
What do
think
you
we'll
call
discuss
it?
that. You please
Yeah,
ask them.
okay.
Any it's a class, you can help any one of them. Or it is
Okay.
downloading is possible. I told you to download a particular software by that the YouTube recording.
Yeah, but I tried it, but it came up with some kind of a.
Please ask some people who knows not here the class as a knowledgeable person. They help you to download that video downloader software. So with that you can download.
Okay, Guruji, I'll try again.
Yes, video downloader software is available. I think all of you are able to download or see, right? The videos.
Yes,
Yes,
Sharma.
Guruji.
That you can
Yes,
download. Even I have that downloader. If I want something, I download from that. Okay. So we will start the class now. Samskrita Bhala Darshaha. That is the name of the book. It's an apt translation, infant reader. In fact, I am doing this book even for the advanced class, but advanced class is different. Each lesson it will go for many classes because each sentence of the lesson is taken and it is grammatically split. We try with the different forms, voices, active voice, passive voice, past participle, present participle. In fact, I'm doing only 16th lesson. For you, I think I will go forward because I'm just going to introduce the words, the different topics. Just you will be getting familiarity with that, not dealing with them in detail. Now, that will be in the Vyakaranam class. That will take time. That will take time, and you have to work on that also. But here, just familiarity with the language and with the different topics of the language. Okay. So we will start this, and we will do this book also, Rashtriya Samskrit Samsthan. That simple reading of that book, both. Okay. So Samskrita Adarsha, Bala Adarsha. Samskrita Bala Adarshe. That is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. In the Samskrita Bala Adarsha, that is in the infant reader. Pratamaha Pataha, the first lesson. Pataha is Pullinga. Pratamaha is also Pullinga. If it is Trilinga, it will be Pratama. Pratamaha is adjective. Note one thing in the language in Sanskritam, the adjective, which is called Visheshana, the substantive, which is called Visheshya, both have to be of same gender, same vibhakti, same vachana. If there is a Visheshana Visheshya relationship, adjective substantive relationship, then both have to be of same gender, number one. Number two, they should be of same vibhakti. Number three, of same vachanam. So pratamaha pataha, pataha being pullinga, pataha akarantaha like Rama Shabda, pataha patu, pataha. Therefore pratamaha first. Pratama is first. Ekaha is one. It is not ekaha pataha. It is the first lesson. One lesson is ekaha pataha. It is the first lesson. So there's a difference between cardinal and ordinal. This is the first lesson. In Gita also we say Pratamodhyayaha, Pratamaha Adhyayaha. Adhyayaha, chapter. Which chapter? First chapter. Second chapter. Adhyayaha also pullinga. So therefore Pratamaha Adhyayaha. There we do Sandhi and then we say Pratamodhyayaha. Here also Sandhi is Pratamaha Pataha is Pratamah Pataha Atava Pratamaha Pataha. Simple. The exercise, simple lesson this is. We will just quickly read. Tanuja ji, can you do?
Guruji.
Yes. please do.
Ajaha, ayam ajaha, gajaha, ayam gajaha.
What is ajaha? Ajaha,
Ajaha is goat. Huh?
pratipadigam of the word ajaha.
Aja,
Aja. It is declined like
Ramaha,
Rama Shabda. And the pratipadigam of ayam,
ayam. I'm sorry.
what is the pratipadigam of ayam? Anybody?
Idam Shabda.
Idam Shabda.
Idam Shabdam.
Idam meaning this.
This.
And etad meaning?
This only, na, but
Etad meaning also this. There's a difference between these two.
proximity. Na.
Which is closer, very close.
Etad.
Etad is close.
Yes.
Okay. Etad is close. Here it is idam shabda. Pullinga rupam, pratama bhakti, pullinga rupam, ayam. Ayam ajaha. Ayam is one. Pratama bhakti ki ekavachanam. Ajaha pratama bhakti ekavachanam. Kriyapadam nasti.
Asti. Ayam ajaha asti.
Asti.
We have
Kriyapadam
to supply.
supply. If not there also. Asti va, astaha va, santi va.
Asti.
Ayam
Asti.
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 Singular.
That is called ting samanadikaranyam. You can know all these words. As I said, between the Visheshya and the Visheshana, that Vibhakti and Vachanam, they should be a same match. Similarly, Ajaha Asti, not Ajaha Santi. Between the Kriyapadam and the noun, Kriyapadam, which indicates the subject could be either the agent or the karma, depending on whatever the prayoga it is. There should be a relationship. You cannot say Ajaga Santi, that is doesn't match, Vachanam doesn't match. So that is called Ting Samanadi Karanyam. Okay. I am Ajaha Asti. Similarly, I am Gajaha Asti. Okay, continue.
Sanjay, that the matching is called Ting Samanya. Is that
Samana
actually?
Adhikaranam is Samana Adhikaranyam. They should match, yes. Now you
Match,
can understand
Samana.
match. It is something more to that. You'll
Okay.
see. There are many Samana Adhikaranyams. Bhadaka Samana Adhikaranyam in Vedanta and all. So this is one thing, Samana Adhikaranyam. Yes. Continue, Tanujaji. You can unmute your mic, Tanujaji. Read.
Sorry. Yeah, Iyam Bala, Mala, Iyam Mala,
What
Ba-
linga is that? Bala, Mala.
Striling.
Therefore,
Mala is
Iyam is
Therefore, iyam is striling.
idam shabdasya pratama vibhakti ekavachana roopam iyam.
Iyam. Yeah.
Bala iti shabdah
Bala.
api strilingah eva.
Yeah.
Iyam bala iti vakyam. Kriyapadam
Asti.
asti. Iyam bala asti. Iyam mala asti. Right. Bhagavachane katam bhavati.
Iyam balaha.
Iyam na bhavati.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Then
Imaha.
Imaha.
imaha balaha imaha mala. Iyam ime imaha. Dvivachane
Ime.
ime bale.
Bale. Yeah, Rama.
Ime male. Tadvateva ayam ajaha. Ayam gajaha. Dvivachana roopam bhagavachana roopam.
I forgot.
Ayam imau ime.
Yeah. Okay.
Shabda jnanam atyavashyakam.
Yeah.
Okay. Imau ajau.
Ajau.
Ime ajaha.
Ajaha.
Imau gajau. Ime gajaha. Ime iti roopam पुल्लिंगे अपि वर्तते स्त्रीलिंगे अपि वर्तते. पुल्लिंगे का विभक्तिः किं वचनम्? You understand?
Yes. Great.
Bahuvachanam vibhakti ekavachanam.
It is pratama vibhakti bahuvachanam. Ime, the word is, whereas in strilinga it is pratama vibhakti dvivachanam. Yadyapi rupa samanyam asti, tatapi vachana vedaha asti. Ime bale, ime ajaha, right? That is what the abhyasa we have been doing in this, using this book. That is why this Samskrita, Rashtriya Samskrit Samsthan is important. Do you find difficult to understand Sanskritam, or should I say only in English?
No. Carry on with
Please.
Sanskritam.
Carry, please say it in Sanskritam, sir.
Sanskrit, you have to read only through Sanskritam, but anyway we use, it's okay. If you are difficult, tell me, I will use both otherwise. Okay. Then, Patatu, Tanujaji.
Guruji, there is Anuswara Sandhi there.
Anuswara Sandhi api asti. Padanta Pashyatu Ayam Ajaha. Ayam Ajaha Tatra Makaraha asti kila. Makaraha asti. Makarasya Kim Bhavati Atra. Kimapi na bhavati. Kimartam na kimapi na bhavati.
There's nothing. Nothing comes.
Nothing. Why nothing? Ajaha asti.
Kimapi bhavati.
Makarat anantaram akaraha asti. Swaraha asti. Ataha kopi परिवर्तनं न भवति मकारस्य स्थाने. मकारः एव अयम् अजः. किन्तु इयं बाला अत्र पश्यतु. इयं बाला किम् अभवत्?
Followed by hal.
Halan.
Followed by मकारस्य मकारात् अनन्तरं बकारः अस्ति. बकारः तु व्यञ्जनं. व्यञ्जने परे मकारस्य स्थाने अनुस्वारादेशः भवति. अतः इयं बाला अनुस्वार सन्धिः. Right?
Astu.
Yes.
Shall I continue in Sanskritam, or if you have difficulty, you have to tell me, because otherwise
Please continue.
Please continue.
now 20 people are the next class, only 5 people will be there.
No.
Rajkumar ji, Raja ji, okay. Are you there? Huh?
It will be tough.
Sorry?
So it will be tough to speak only in Sanskrit, but I will catch
No,
up.
I am trying to say in English also. Okay, you have to tell me. You have to unmute your mic. Please say it in English again. Sanskritam, if you are not able to follow clearly, then see Sanskrit. Then how will you develop Sanskritam knowledge? Jay Priya ji, you need to know some in Sanskritam also. You have to follow Sanskritam also. Only in English as well as Sanskritam, both I will use. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay.
Then Tanuja ji, Patatu.
idam patram, idam patram, netram, idam netram,
Patram. Patra
Patram.
shabdasya lingam.
Napusakalingam.
Napumsaka lingaha.
Gaha, yeah.
Pratipadikam kim?
Patra.
Patra.
अकारान्तः नपुंसकलिङ्गः
Patra shabdaha. Akarantaha napumsakalingaha. Pala shabdavat rupam bhavati. Palam pale palani. Tadvateva patram patre patrani. Idam patram. Idam patram. Idam sarvanama shabdaha. Sarvanama shabda. Kim pratipadikam?
Idam.
Idam eva. Idam ime imani iti rupam. Atrapi ime pratama vibhakti dvivachana rupam ime asti. Kila?
Yeah.
Ime patre.
Ime asti. Strilingi api ime asti. In Strilinga declension also pratama vibhakti dvivachanam is ime. In idam shabda also pratama vibhakti dvivachanam ime.
Ime.
Rupa samanyam asti. Then how do you know what linga is that? That is known only by the proper noun, right? Bala asti ataha iyam strilingaha. Patram asti ataha idam napumsakalingaha, right? So idam
Yes, sir.
idam here it is napumsakalinga. Anyway, sorry, here it is ime bale. Suppose if you take ime bale, then ime patre. If the money dvivachanam, you have this problem. Not a problem, you have to understand. Iyam ime bale, then ime patre. Ime is common. So how do you know that ime, what is it ime is? Because the patra bale tells you what gender is the sarvanama. That is why he said visheshana visheshyoho samana vibhaktihi samana vachanam bhavati. So ime bale, when you say bale is dvivachanam, and ime is also dvivachanam. Bale is pullinga. That gender also important. Okay. Samana vibhakti, then samana lingam api avashyakam. Then only it is visheshana visheshya. Here it is sarvanama is adjectival pronoun. It is here the iyam is the pronoun is adjectival pronoun. Iyam bala, ayam ajaha. Then idam patram. All the pronouns are adjectival pronouns, right? That in Sanskritam pronoun also declinable, and therefore in all the gender it has to match with the substantive, which is here a proper noun. Similarly, idam netram api. Okay. Then Kausalyaji, Bhavati, Patatu. Krishnaha, ayam kaha.
Yes, Guruji. Ayam kaha.
Kaha,
Iyam
ka
kaha.
vibhaktihi, kim pratipadikam.
Kaha kim.
Kim shabda,
Kim
makarantaha.
shabdaha.
Pullingaha.
Kim shabdaha.
Kim shabdaha.
Kim shabdaha.
Katam bhavati pratama vibhakti rupam. Kaha kauke.
Pratama kaha kauke.
So kaha is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam. Kaha, ayam is pratama vibhakti ekavachanam of idam shabda. Therefore,
Idam.
ayam kaha means, what is this?
What is this? What is
Kriyapadam.
this?
That to supply. Not there.
Ayam kaha
Asti.
asti.
Ayam kaha asti. Ayam kaha anuswara sandhi. Kaha plus asti. What will happen? What sandhi? Anybody? Kaha plus asti.
Kosti.
Kosti.
Kaha plus asti become kosti. Right? What sandhi? Anuswara followed. The visarga followed by Akara.
Preceded by
Ukara,
akara,
guna,
guna
and
sandhi.
pura rupa.
Guna sandhi will happen. It will be
Ko
replaced by
plus
akara.
asti, then pararupa. Kosti, right? In pararupa
Kosti.
sandhi. Okay. What is this? The next one. Continue.
Iyam ka.
Meaning? What is this only?
What is this only?
But I am referring to?
Strilinga.
Yam shabdena kim abhidiyate. Srilinga. Kopi Srilinga shabdaha.
Kim Shabda.
Bala. Yam bala. Yam mala. Mala. Then next one.
Idam Kim.
Pumsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga. What is this?
Please use all these things in the language, daily language also. Ayam kaha, what is this? Yam ka, this familiarity. That is why, again, I am saying Rashtriya Sanskrit Samsthan book is very useful. Already we have done all this abhyasa. It is not something new. Okay, continue. Second one.
Idam, this, Shabdasya, Lingatrayepi, Prathama Vibhakti, Rupani.
Read as a sentence.
Ayam,
Read again. It's a vakya.
Idam, Idam Shabdasya, Lingatrayepi, Prathama Vibhakti, Rupani.
Yes. Idam shabdasya lingatraye api pratama vibhakti rupani. Lingatraye in all the three lingas. Lingatraye plus api. Ka sandhihi yatra.
Purvarups.
Purvarupa.
Sandhi. Lingatraye api pratama vibhakti rupani. Pratama vibhaktehe rupani dattam. That idam shabdas declension in the first case is given below. Pullinge katam vartate ayam imau
Ayam,
ime.
Imau, Ime.
Strilinge
Strilinge, Iyam, Ime, Imaha.
napumsakalinge.
Napumsakalinge, Idam, Ime, Imani.
So please be familiar with this and with the proper noun. Use appropriate forms. Vachanam, linga. Okay. Then the next one. Next person.
Idam Shabda.
Anuradhaji, read. Who is the next person?
Idam, yeah.
I think I slipped it.
Sharan.
Yeah,
Skip
Guru,
Rajaji.
Manjula and Rajaji missed.
Oh, I sorry. Okay,
Myself
I missed her.
yes.
Okay, it's okay. I'll come back. Anuradhaji, read.
Okay, sure. Idam Shabdasya Rupaihi Vakyani Purayata.
What is Purayata? Purayata
Fill.
iti kim padam?
Fill.
Namapadam ba, Kriyapadam ba?
Kriyapadam.
Purayata. We have not seen Purayata. Then note. Now, Tanujaji, I told. Bhavati Patatu. Patatu, I said. It means you read.
Prerana.
It means that is lot lakara. It's called just some words, you please hear it. Present tense is called Vartamana Kalaha, right? Past tense is called Bhuta Kalaha. Future tense, Bhavishyat Kalaha. So Bhuta, Vartamana, Bhavishya. For this, we have some technical terms in Sanskritam. Lat. Lat means present tense. Lang means past. Rit means future. And
What is it, Guruji? Rit.
Rit. Rit means future tense. So lat, lang, rit. I'm telling only the three simple tenses. Past, present, future. But in Sanskritam, there are many tenses and moods. Moods also there. All these are denoted by the word lakara. Lat lakara, lang lakara, lit lakara. Here, Purayata is lot lakara. It is a mood. It is in the sense of this order or command or request. What lakara is present or past? There is no tense connected to that. Note. It is neither present nor not like that. There is no kala. It is not kala vachi. Not denotes any kalam. Purayata means it's a order. It's a request. You read. Suppose I say, are you reading or are you going to read? Or I will say, you read tomorrow also, I can say. Right? So it is a agnya. It's a command. Or it may be a request. That is called lot lakara. Just to note that word. Okay, lot. What is that? We will see in the Vyakaran class. So idam shabdasya rupaihi vakyani purayata. Now I said patatu, I said. So, patati, patataha, patanti. Similarly, purayatu, purayataha, purayantu, we can say in load form. Patati, patataha, patanti. Patasi, patataha, patata. Patami, patavaha, patamaha is there. We know very well. Similarly, purayatu, purayatam, purayantu, puraya, purayatam, purayata. That is a purayata is using here. You can see. I'll show you here
Yes, Ji.
the screen. You see here. Bhavati, bhavataha, bhavanti, we read. Just note this lot at the top. Lot parasmai padi is there. Lot is a word for this command or request. Agnya prarthanadishu lot lakaraha bhavati. Now, example I've given. Same bhudhatu I'm taking. Bhavatu. Bhavatat is that is not required. Don't worry about it. Bhavatu, bhavatam, bhavantu. Then bhava, bhavatam, bhavata, bhavani, bhavava, bhavama. Right? If it is pat dhatu, how will you do it?
Patatu,
Patatu,
patatam,
patatam,
Patantu,
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 pata,
pata,
Patha,
patam,
Tat,
patata,
tata,
patani,
patani,
Pata,
patava,
Patani,
patava.
Pata, Patama.
That is what I said. Bhavati patatu. You please read. Now in this sentence, purayata is where is purayata? Purayatu, purayatam,
Madhyama Purusha.
purayantu, puraya, purayatam, purayata. That is
Madhyama
Madhyama
Purusha.
Purusha, Bhagavad.
Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Means you all fill. Purayata.
For Madhyama Purusha, and it is not
Hmm.
linga not required. Only for third person it is.
Could be all the linga.
Madhyama
It can
Purusha,
be. You
linga.
is what? You, tam is doesn't. Lingatraya api vartate rupam.
Yes, Ji. Yes.
Trishu lingeshu samana rupam.
Yes, Ji.
Takarantaha अस्मत् शब्दः युष्मत् शब्दः त्रिषु लिंगेषु समानरूपः.
Samana.
So purayata. So it means you all. What is the word for you? You all. You yam.
Bhavantaha. Oh,
Bhavantaha tava you yam purayata.
So
Vakyam
Guruji, you said
purayata.
you said patatu. So should it be patatu or pacha?
Again.
You said patatu.
Patatu with
Patata.
patatu with respect.
Acha.
Pata
Otherwise,
is tvam pata. We can say tvam pata bhavati patatu with respect. Tanujaji is reading. So I told with respect bhavati patatu iti.
yes, Guruji.
Okay, idam shabdasya rupaihi vakyani purayata. Vakyam purayata vakyani. Fill up the.
Purayata belongs to Vakyani or to you all.
you all.
To you all.
How you say to belongs to? Why you should belong to something? What is the what's the question? I don't know how you all answer immediately. You all. Purayata is purayata only.
Okay.
Means it is Madhyama Purusha.
I
Bahuvachanam.
think he was
Bahuvachan.
asking whether because it's many sentences we are saying purayata or because there are many people. I think that was a question.
Same thing.
No. You have to understand what is vakyani then. No. That thing is purayata. This is not something new. You know it. Kriya padam denotes what in a sentence. That you have to see. Kriya padam is important in a vakya, right?
Yes.
Kriya padam, if it denotes the subject, then it is called Kartari Prayoga. If the Kriya padam denotes karma, the object, then it is called Karmani Prayoga, passive voice. Right? Now,
Yes.
Ramaha patati. Patati Kriya padam. Okay, Ramaha patam patati. Now, patati. Now, will you ask, patati, does it connect it with the pata? Does it connect with the Rama? Do you ask like that? No.
No.
Patati means what does it denote?
Padikiran.
Patati refers to Rama only, not for the pata. Not referring to the karma, the object. Because the suffix itself tells you it is Pratama Purusha. Who is Pratama Purusha? Rama. And the Vachanam, Patati is Ekavachanam, Ramaha Patati. What does he read is next. What does he read? He could read either Pata or anything, and it could be any Vachanam also, any Linga also. That doesn't matter at all. So Patati denotes the Karta in the sentence. Ramaha Patam Patati. Ramaha Patau Patati, I can say. He reads 2 lessons. Ramaha Patan Patati, I can say. He reads many lessons. But Patati remains same, doesn't change. Why? Because Rama doesn't change. If it is Rama, then Patataha it will be. If it is Ramaha, it is Patanti. Now, you tell me what is a Sambandha? How do you ask this Sambandha? Sambandha with Karta or Karma?
Karta.
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 Understand, Ramila ji?
Yes, Ji.
The same thing you're asking here. Vakyani Purayata is connected to Vakyani is karma here, object. Who is a Karta? Uyam.
UM.
Therefore, Uyam is the therefore Purayata. Uyam is not there, but you can understand it is Uyam. It is Madhyama Purusha, therefore Uyam. It has therefore no connection with the Vakyani.
Okay.
It could be Vakyam, or it could be Vakya, or it could be Vakyani. It could be any Vachanam. But Uyam is understood, therefore Purayata. I think this much in the discussion not required here. Anyway, since you already have background, I've seen this. Okay. So idam shabdasya rupaiki vakyani purayata. I can understand. Using the word idam shabdasya rupaiki with the form of the idam. Fill up the vakyas, sentences. Vakya akarantaha napumsakalingaha vakya shabdaha vakyam vakye vakyani vakyam vakye vakyani atra vakyani ditya vibhaktihi bhaguvachanam. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Pramila ji. Ataha yoyam sarve vakyani purayata idam shabdasya rupaihi with the idam form of the idam shabda. That's the meaning. Right. Now, Anarata ji, continue. Please.
Ashwaha. I am Ashwaha. The second one is
Makaraha
idam
bhavati va anuswaraha bhavati.
I am Makaraha bhavati. Then idam Vishwam. That Anuswara bhavati. Iyam Jihva. Anuswara bhavati. Iyam Nasa.
Read just idam.
Iyam Nasa. Yeah. Then idam Mukham. I am Naraha.
Yes. So, Mukham Napumsakalinga, Vishwam Napumsakalinga, Ashvaha Naraha Pullinga, Jikhva Nasa Strilinga. You can note this abbreviations used in glossary. N means the noun. Visheshyam. A, small a, adjective. Visheshanam. Visheshanam. Visheshanarupam bhavati. Visheshanam will be in keeping with the Visheshyam. Visheshanam tu trilinge bhavati. Please note. Understand the difference between the noun and the adjective. Can noun be in all the genders?
No.
Can a noun be in all the genders? Yes or no?
No, it cannot be.
It is specific with the word.
One particular.
The word has gender. Whereas adjective can be in all the genders. Remember that. And lingatrayam vartate pullingaha, strilingaha, napumsakalingaha. And you can note this also. P is parasmaipadi. P is parasmaipadi. A is atmanepadi. Parasmaipadi atmanepadi iti kim? Parasmaipadi kim? Atmanepadi kim?
The forms of
Dhatus. Yeah, the Kriya Padam.
Kriya.
No, what is it? Parasmaipadi, Atmanepadi.
If the action is done for others, then it is Parasmepadi. And if
Parasmepadi.
the beneficiary of the action is oneself, then it's Atmanepadi.
Then what is it? What do you distinguish the Kriya Padam, the form of the Kriya Padam?
Itaha anti is Parasmaipadi.
Parasmepadi.
Te, ite, ante is Atmanepadi.
Please note that. Okay, let me introduce that also here. In the Vyakaranam class, as I told, you will see deal with that elaborately. Now here you see, just giving you the original pratyaya. These are the original pratyaya. Okay. This we will not use in the language, but we can just know. In the Vyakaranam class, we will deal with them elaborately. Tiptas ji, siptastha, mipasmas. Parasmepadi pratyaya. Ta atam cha tha satandam it vagi maging. Atmanepadi pratyayas. These pratyayas are added to dhatu. Now, can we add these pratyayas to any dhatus as we like? The question comes, Pat dhatu is there. Say for example, Pat dhatu. Pat dhatu is patati, patataha, patanti. We know lat form is, that is Vartamana Kala. Patati, patataha, patanti. Patasi, patataha, patata. Patami, patavaha, patamaha. We know very well. Can we say, add this Atmanepadi suffixes? Te, ite, you can note ite only now. Ate, you leave it. That we will see later. Ite only you note. Te, ite, ante. Se, ite, dve. Ye, vage, mage. Can we add these suffixes to pat dhatu? No. You cannot add. Whereas lab dhatu, another dhatu I am taking. Lab dhatu can have te, ite, ante. Se, ite, dve. Ye, vage, mage. Lab means to gain, to attain. And lab dhatu can have this Atmanepadi suffixes pratyayas. Lab dhatu cannot have tip, titaha, anti, sitaha, ta. That they cannot have. It means what? What do you understand from this? Rajaji. What do you understand from this? Unmute your mic and answer.
Sorry, Guruji. So, Guruji, I couldn't follow this.
Didn't follow this.
You can please repeat it.
All of you, are you following?
Yes, Sharon.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Guruji.
See, Pat dhatu can have this Parasmepadi suffixes. Lab dhatu can have this Atmanepadi suffixes. Atmanepadi suffix, first time you are seeing. De, gite, ante. Se, gite, dve. Ye, vage, mage. Just note these pratyayas. These are the pratyayas for lat, lakara. Lat means present tense. In the sense of present, Vartamana Kale arte. Ete pratyaha dhatoho bhavanti. These pratyas are added to dhatus in the sense of present tense. Not all the dhatus or any dhatu you wish will take any pratyaya. No. Dhatavaha dvidha bhavanti. Dhatus can be divided into two. Parasmepadi dhatu, Atmanepadi dhatu. Parasmepadi dhatoho parasmepadi pratyaha bhavanti. So parasmepadi dhatus are there. Pat dhatu, if you take, it is a parasmepadi dhatu. I'm just giving a name to the dhatu. Okay. Those dhatu is called parasmepadi dhatu. Why? Because it can take only titahanti, sitahata, mivaha, mahapratyas. It is parasmepadi dhatu. Lab dhatu is Atmanepadi dhatu. It can take only Atmanepadi suffix. Te, ite, ante. Se, ite, dve. Ye, vage, mage. It cannot take titaha, anti. Because dhatus are divided into Parasmepadi and Atmanepadi, therefore we have Parasmepadi pratyaya, Atmanepadi pratyaya. Is it clear, Priyaji? Understand, or all of you are in silence? Tell me.
Ji, understand.
Yes,
We understand, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, understand.
I just take randomly one name. Priyaji means not only Priyaji. Anybody can say, understand or no. If you don't understand, you ask. Now itself ask and clarify. Priyaji, is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
Priyaji is not answering.
Guruji, how do we know that which dhatu is Parasmepadi and which one
That
is
you will know it
Atmanepadi?
later. Slowly I'll teach.
Just by
Don't worry.
looking at the dhatu.
Not just by looking. Looking at, I will see. By looking at, how do you know? No. How do you know now the linga? How you get familiarity with the linga? Similarly, you will get familiar with the dhatu by usage. You will see the usage. You see. You only ask, no, many of you only ask to move forward. That is why I'm moving forward. If it's difficult, you have to tell me.
No.
I can move at a little higher. You see, you have to see, we are doing advanced classes are there, Ashtadhyayi. This is a basic class, that's why Sandeep. Am I doing all these practices for myself or for you?
For ourselves.
So you have to do, Sandeep, how many classes we did, right? Is it for me or you have to do it? So when you want to learn, then you have to be ready for that standard, right? In fact, I'm not told anything bigger. It's just simple thing.
Guruji,
So as you
Namapadam.
ask, so I'll give what you want. You tell that I'm going slowly, not with the what do you call? Not that no, this class should be at this level. No, not increase the level, but it all depends on you. Yes, tell me, Girijaji.
In Namapadam, generally we go by the Anta, Akara, Anta, Ikara,
That is only to start with. Everything is only to start with. Okay. There are also Pullinga Shabda ending with Akaranta is there. What will do? Akaranta is there, Pullinga Shabda.
Okay.
Akaranta anyway it is there. Akaranta. Vishwapa Shabda is there. Similarly, Dirga Ikara also it is there. Then what will you do?
Okay.
That is for a child, we should not confuse with so many data right in the beginning. Similarly, what is required in the beginning, but only that much you have to tell.
Okay.
So that is why in this in the book also, Sanskrit Rashtriya Sanskritam Sthan, you would not introduce Atmanepadi in the beginning. He will deal only with Parasmepadi. But in this infant reader book, you will see both. So that is why, just to know, we are not going to use Atmanepadi now. Don't worry. We will get Abhyasa and then we will use. But no Atmanepadi suffixes are there. So dhatus are classified into Parasmepadi dhatus and Atmanepadi dhatus. If it is a Parasmepadi dhatu, then it will take Parasmepadi pratyas. If it is Atmanepadi dhatu, then it will take Atmanepadi pratyaya. This is what I said in Sanskritam also. Dhatoho paraha pratyaha bhavanti. Yadi dhatuho parasmepadi chet parasmepadi pratyaha bhavanti. Atmanepadi chet Atmanepadi pratyaya bhavanti. Yatha vashyatu. Bhavati bhavataha bhavanti. Bhavasi bhavataha bhavata. Bhavami bhavavaha bhavamaha. Atra bhu dhatuhu asti kila. Bhu dhatuhu parasmepadi bhavati. Atra titaha anti sitaha ta mi vahamaha iti pratyayanam yojanam krutva dhatoho rupam bhavati bhavatah iti bhavanti. Labdhatuhu atmanepadi bhavati. Ataha te yite ante ete pratyayanam yojanam krutva labhate labhete labante labase labhete labhadve labhe labhavage labhamage iti rupani. Any Atmanepadi you take, the form will be like this. So remember this suffix. If it is te yite ante, se yite dve, ye vage make. Labate, labhete, labad. Labase, labhete, labadve. Labhe, labhavage, labhamake. One dhatu you know, other dhatu will be same. Like that it is there for all the 10 lakaras. You can imagine. All the 10 lakara, the tenses and moods. Let us not deal with everything simultaneously, only just know. So here also in this infant reader also slowly we will introduce. Why I am saying this now? Because the abbreviation used in the glossary PA is What is that means? You have to know. What about you? You means a U certificate.
Ubhayapati.
What is you?
Ubhayapati.
Ubhayapati.
Both can.
Ubhayapati. Ubhayapati means the dhatu can have any of
Both
the
forms.
pratyaya. So now, Anuradhaji, what you said, if the result of the action goes for oneself, then you said Atmanepadi, right?
Yes,
If the
sir.
beneficiary is oneself, if the beneficiary is others, it's a Parasmipadi.
Mhm.
That is partially true, not completely.
Okay.
If only when the dhatu is Ubhayapadi, then only you have to talk about that. A dhatu which can take either Parasmipadi, Atmanepadi, then only that possibility is there. Suppose a dhatu is Atmanepadi, Lab dhatu is Atmanepadi. Can you use in the sense of the Parasmipadi? Yes or no?
No, I mean,
You cannot use it.
no.
Even lab, see, lab dhatu means to gain, to get. Even if I gain for, see, if I gain for myself or if I gain that for others, the form would be labate only. It cannot be labati, right?
Yeah, it cannot.
Labate, labete, labante, labase, labete, labadve, labe, labe, labavahe, labamahe only. It will not be labati, labataha, labanti. No.
No.
Whereas there are some dhatus, like pach dhatu, if you take. Pach means what?
To cook.
To cook.
To cook. It is a Ubhayapadi dhatu. It can take either Parasmipadi or Atmanepadi. Therefore, there pachati pachataha pachanti, pachasi pachataha pachata, pachami pachavaha pachamaha, or pachate pachete pachante, pachase pachete pachadve, pache pachavahe pachamahe. Aham pachami, when you say I cook, you are using Atmanepadi pratyaya, me, aham pachami. I cook means I don't cook only for myself, I cook for others. Aham pache, when you say,
Yeah.
there it what? I cook for only myself, a
Myself.
small pot, a small vessel.
Oh.
Only I cook for myself, not for others. No atithis are allowed. Aham pache,
Okay.
right? That's the meaning.
Okay, sir.
So what you said is partially correct. I said based on this only, right?
Yeah.
So this Ubhayapadi also it is there. That's all this is, we have got sutra for that. Katrabi praye kriyapale. Anyway, just saying, note this. Then in is indeclinable. Avyayam iti kim?
Indeclinable.
Hmm?
Indeclinable. You cannot, in all the genders and all the things, it will be the same form. You cannot.
Rupam samanam bhavati.
Hmm.
Kapi vibhakti bhavati. Kimapi vachanam bhavati. Shabdasya parivartanam na bhavati. Cha is there. Cha is cha only. Api is api only. Api, api, apayaha. No, you cannot decline like that. Api. That's called avyayam. Na vyeti iti avyayam. Yasya rupam na vyeti. Tat avyayam bhavati. Trishalingeshu, sadasham trishalingeshu. One shloka also we saw in all the three linga, three vachanam. That and doesn't have a gender. Gender not gender specific. It is no gender. So it is avyayam. Okay, this lesson is done. Now you ask me any doubt in this lesson. I gave more information than what is required, but it is okay. We are going to see that again. Then aksharam likata, one thing that is simple, you know, the combination of the conjunct, the consonant with the vowel. Aksharam is likata, you see. Likata is what? Lot lakara. I just now said likato, likatam, likantu, likha, likatam, likata, like purayata, likata, right?
Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachanam.
Bhagavachanam. What likata? Aksharam likata. You all write the letter. Combination you have to write. Okay. Now you ask, if you have any doubts, please ask. Doubt is there or not?
No doubt.
In Avyaya, if it Avyaya is coming as a Visheshanam, then it can
Avyaya
then
coming as
also,
a Visheshanam.
yeah, like all
It will be
sarva.
Visheshanam.
No, sarva is not. I'm just thinking, Sharan, it's like sarva, like that.
Huh?
Sarvam is not. Sarva is
Sarva
not
is not
avyaya.
Visheshanam. Sarva is not Avyaya.
Avyaya. Oh, okay. Okay, Sharanji. I was just thinking if it was
Visheshanam
possible
is
for.
declinable. Avyaya is indeclinable. Right?
Yeah.
So to be a Visheshanam, then it must be keeping with the Visheshya. So there is no
Yeah.
connection.
Yeah. So a like a Visheshanam, and Avyaya Pada can never become a Visheshanam for anything.
Visheshanam is declinable. Avyaya is not declinable. So it can become.
Okay, Sharanji.
Okay, we'll move to the next lesson. Okay, before we'll do the next lesson in the next class. We will read from here. Simple. All of you can participate. Read this. Simple. This at least simple exercise. Those who are finding difficult, at least we can do this. I think Girijaji, from here only we have to do. I think I took it to the last page from the previous
Yes,
class.
yes, Guruji.
Yes.
Yes, Guruji.
So we will do it from the beginning. Now, Tanujaji, please read. Dhyanena patantu. Be familiar with this padam. Ishmat Shabda. Yes.
Okay. Yuvam.
Tvam yuvam.
Wait. Wait. Tvam yuvam. Yuyam.
Yuyam.
Yeah.
You too, you all.
Yeah.
You can supply always. Tvam. What is the Kriya Padam? Practice that practice abhyasa has to come now from now onwards.
Tvam kriyapadam patati.
Why patat? Tvam asi. There is no any kriya. Tvam asi.
Okay, yeah.
Yuvam. Yuvam.
Yuvam.
Staha.
Smaha. Yeah, I forgot.
Not smaha.
And smaha.
Not smaha. It is not smaha. Asti staha santi asi staha. Yuvam staha.
Staha.
Yuyam stha.
Yuvam stha. Yuyam stha. Yes, I'm a little bit. I have to
practice this.
Yes. I will do that.
Okay, next time. Continue.
Tvam chatraha.
Say with the Kriya Padam. Then only the practice will come. Asi.
Tvam chatraha
Chatraha asi.
asi.
Not
Yuvam.
chatra asi. Chatraha. Visarga should be pronounced.
Okay. Tvam chatraha asi. Yuvam chatrau stha. Yuyam chatraha asti.
Asti.
Chatra. Wait a minute. What is chatraha asti? Stha. Oh, santi.
Santi is Pratham Purusha. Yuyam is Madhyam Purusha.
And then I have to do that, sir. Guruji. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay. Yuyam chatraha stha.
Stha.
Not staha.
Yeah, stha.
Stha.
Without sorry. Yeah, I have to.
At least
brush
you
it.
have the paper with you by your side.
Yes. No, I don't have it here with me right now.
Please come with all your notes in your material.
Yes.
Keep it with you in
I know. I
front.
will do that. Yeah. I know. Yeah.
In the beginning itself, I told we have scribbling paper, the
Yeah.
paper, pen,
Okay.
notes,
Yes.
everything.
Yes. Good.
And whatever notes I send, it will be simply sitting as a soft waste.
No.
You have to use it, no? Take
Okay,
printout
yeah,
and
yeah.
keep it with you, all of you.
Yes, please. Yeah, I will do that.
Then
Yuvam tvam chatraha.
now, tvam balakaha.
Oh, tvam balakaha.
Hmm.
Tvam balakaha.
Asi.
Asi. Yuvam balakau stha. Yuyam balakaha.
Stha.
Stha. And tvam chatra
Asi.
asi. Yuvam chatre stha. And yuyam chatraha stha.
Stha. In another 2 classes, you'll be able to say it without saying.
Yes. I will. Yeah, I can assure you that.
Manjulaji, you can read next one. Manjulaji is there?
Sorry, Ji, not able to unmute now. I'll do it afterwards, Guruji.
Okay.
Sorry, disturbances.
Rajaji, you can read. Abhyasa 57.
Yeah. From balakah asi yuvam balakau stah yuyam balakaha stah.
Now you can see here, Rikta Sthanani Purayantu. This is Purayantu, just now I said, Purayatu, Purayatam, Purayantu. Here it is Pratama Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. Here it's saying with respect. Yuyam, Bhavantaha Sarve, Bhavantaha Purayantu. You all, Rikta Sthanani is karma. Blank space. Rikta Sthana is a Pratipadikam. Like Pala Shabda, you can decline. Rikta Sthanam, Rikta Sthane, Rikta Sthanani. Riktasthanam, Riktasthane, Riktasthanani. Dvitya Vibhakti, Bhagavachanam. So you all fill up the blanks. Okay. Yes, read.
Yeah. From Tarunaha asi yuvam.
Yuvam, not yuvam. Yuvam.
Yuvam Tarunau stah yuyam tarunaha tvam namraha asi yuvam namrau stah yuyam namraha stah.
You understand the meaning of Balaka, Taruna, number? What's number?
I don't know what it is.
Polite.
Humble.
Polite.
Humble.
Polite, soft.
Okay. Namra.
Namraha, is it Namrata?
Yes, mild, soft. Yes, continue.
Yeah. Tvam chatraha asi yuvam chatrau stah yuyam chatraha stah. Tvam takshakah asi yuvam takshakau stah yuyam takshakaha stah. Tvam chainikah asi yuvam chainikau stah yuyam chainikaha stah. Tvam natah asi yuvam natau stah yuyam nataha stah.
Next person, Anuradhaji.
Yes, Sharanji. Tvam Chatra Asi Yuvam Chatre Stah and Yuyam Chatraha Stha. Tvam Balika Asi Yuvam Balike Stah and Yuyam Balikaha Stha. Tvam Gayika Asi Yuvam Gayike Stah Yuyam Gayikaha Stha.
You also take time, Staha, you have to think to say Staha.
Yes. Yes, Sharanji.
I thought this
have to
exercise is
practice.
simple. No, I think nothing is simple. You have to do it, everything. Okay.
Yeah.
That familiarity
Forgot.
should have come by this time. When they use Asti Staha Santi, Asi Staha Asta, we are using only Asta to any other Kriya Padam.
Oh,
To be
okay.
able to use
Tvam-
naturally. That Abhyasa
Yeah.
has to come. Okay. We will do in the class.
Yes, Sharanji.
Yes, please read.
Tvam Shreshta Asi Tvam Shreshte no Yuvam Shreshte Stah Yuyam Shreshtaha Stha.
Okay, next person, Pramilaji.
Tvam putri
Asti or Asi?
asi. Tvam putri asi yuvam putrau stah yuyam putriya stha.
Putryaha
Tvam
Sta.
putryaha stha. Tvam nartaki asi yuvam nartakyau stah yuyam nartakyah stha. Tvam abhinetri asi yuvam abhinetriau stah yuyam abhinetriyah stha. त्वं गृहिणी असि युवां गृहण्यौ स्तः यूयं गृहण्यः
गृहिण्यः स्त.
गृहण्यः स्त.
Yes.
त्वं स्वामिनी असि युवां स्वामिन्यौ स्तः यूयं स्वामिन्यः स्त.
Okay, next person, Lataji.
Tvam
What is patantu?
patantu, is it
Lot lakara.
what lakaraga Bhagavachanam?
Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam. Yes, read.
Tvam balakaha asi. Ivam balakau staha. Yuyam balakaha sta. Tvam chatraha asi. Ivam chatrau staha. Yuyam chatraha sta. Tvam balakaha asi.
That's okay. Chatra.
Tvam chatra asi. Yuvam chatre sta. Yuyam chatraha sta. It's a trilingam.
Yes. Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji.
Abhyasa.
Udaharananusaram vakyani likhantu.
See, likantu.
Tvam.
Lot lakara. Lot lakara is the sense of command or request. Pratama Purusha Bhagavachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
Likatu, likatam, likantu. It's frequently coming. That is why you have to see that. Okay, yeah.
Likatu, likatam, likhantu. Okay. Tvam dhanikaha asi. Yuvam dhanikau staha. Yuyam dhanikaha sta. Tvam veeraha asi. Yuvam veerau staha. Yuyam veeraha sta. Tvam amba asi. Yuvam ambe staha. Yuyam ambaha sta. Tvam bhagini asi. Yuvam bhaginyau staha. Yuyam bhaginyaha sta. Tvam putraha asi. Yuvam putrau staha. Yuyam putraha sta. Tvam priyaha asi. Yuvam
Priyosi. You can do sandhi. Tvam priyaha plus asi, priyosi. Right?
Priyosi.
Putrosi, priyosi. Tvam dhanikosi, virosi. If it is amba plus asi, ambasi. Savanani is a sandhi. Bhagini plus asi, bhaginyasi. Yan sandhi.
Bhaginyasi.
Yan sandhi, yeah.
Okay. All the sandhi, also you know it, we can do it. In fact, if I say, you have to understand that. That is the next level anyway. That is not required.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Guruji.
Yes.
Tvam priyosi. Yuvam priyau staha. Yuyam priyaha sta. Tvam nartaki asi. Yuvam nartakyau staha. Yuyam nartakyaha sta. Tvam putri asi. Yuvam putriyau staha. Yuyam putriyaha sta. Tvam sundari asi. Yuvam sundaryau staha. Yuyam sundaryaha sta. Tvam chaturaha asi. Yuvam chaturau staha. Yuyam chaturaha sta.
Okay, we'll stop here. Please note this exercise 59.
Abhyasa.
That is page number 137 in the PDF file.
Yeah.
We'll stop here. Is it okay to go at this like this language?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes, Guruji.
Hmm?
Yes, Guruji.
Yes.
This
Yes,
class
Guruji.
today language. So you have got 2 weeks time to go through this, understand if anything is memorize, whatever it is. Next week we will do Sandhi, Gita, Sandhi, right?
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
Guruji.
1 week this, 1 week that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vishishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
Guruji.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyavad,
Karanji,
Guruji.
just one
Dhanyavad.
question.
ధన్యవాద గురుజీ.
Sharanji, I just have one question, Sharanji.
Yes.
Sharanji, this Sundaram is Avyayam, right, Sharanji?
Why it's Avyayam?
No? Okay.
Sundaraha, Sundari, Sundaram, Visheshanam.
Okay. So Sundaram is not Avyayam.
Not Avyayam.
Sharanji. I somehow got confused. That's why when I saw this, yeah, that my mistake.
Yes.
Thank you, Sharanji.
Dhanyavadaha. Any other
Dhanyavada.
questions? Somebody asked. Yes. Any questions?
No, Sharanji.
Okay.
Guruji.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada.
ధన్యవాదాలు. ధన్యవాదాలు.